Looking to get started with Bluehost but don't want to pay full price? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim the best Bluehost discount available and help you choose the right hosting plan for your needs, even if this is your very first website. Here's what you need to know. If you visit the Bluehost website directly, you'll only see their standard pricing. It's not bad, but it's not the best deal you can get. To access Bluehost's top discount, all you need to do is use the special link I've placed in the video description below. This is a verified partner link that gives you access to Bluehost's biggest available discount. The best part? The discount is applied automatically. No need to enter any promo codes or search the internet for limited time offers. Just scroll down, click the first link in the description, and you'll be taken directly to the Bluehost site. Once the page loads, you'll see the discounted pricing already active. From there, you'll be prompted to choose your hosting plan. If you're planning to build a single website, whether it's a blog, portfolio, or small business site, the basic plan is usually the best place to start. It includes one website, a free domain, SSL security, and the essential features you need to launch your site. If you're planning to create more than one website or want advanced tools like daily backups, SEO optimization, e-commerce features, and more storage, the e-commerce essentials plan is a great value. With the discount applied, the added features are well worth it. Every Bluehost plan comes with a free domain for the first year, an SSL certificate to keep your site secure, and one-click WordPress installation, which makes setting up your site incredibly easy, even if you've never done anything like this before. And if you run into any issues along the way, Bluehost provides 24/7 customer support. Their team is available by live chat or phone, so whether you have a technical question or just need help getting started, someone's always there to assist you. Another great thing about Bluehost is their 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can sign up, try everything out, and if it's not what you expected, you can cancel within the first month and get a full refund. No hassle, no pressure. Now, during the checkout process, Bluehost may suggest a few optional add-ons, like SEO tools, added security, or business email. These are entirely optional. You can skip them for now and always add them later if you decide you need them. And once you've signed up, be sure to check out the next video I've linked here. It walks you through the entire setup process, step by step, from activating your hosting account to launching your WordPress website, even if you've never built one before. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy your discounted Bluehost hosting.